Travel agencies deal with multiple interactions every day, customers searching for trips, agents handling bookings, payments being processed, and invoices being generated. With so many moving parts, having a clear picture of how these roles and processes connect is critical. One of the best ways to achieve this clarity is by using a use case diagram, a core tool in UML modeling that helps simplify system requirements into a visual format. The use case diagram shows how different actors, such as people or external systems, interact with the system being designed. For a travel agency, the main actors include the customer, the travel agent, and the payment system. Each of these interacts with use cases like search trips, book trip, cancel booking, and generate invoice. Mapping these elements together helps teams quickly understand what the system does, who uses it, and how responsibilities are distributed. This is especially valuable for developers, business analysts, and stakeholders who need alignment before moving into technical development. While it's possible to sketch a use case diagram manually, professional diagramming software makes the process faster, cleaner, and presentation ready. EdrawMax offers built-in UML templates that make it easy to drag and drop shapes, label them, and connect them logically. Instead of struggling with formatting, creators can focus on accuracy and readability. Here's how to create a use case diagram for a travel agency system using EdrawMax. The process begins with starting a new drawing. Open EdrawMax, select New, and then Blank Drawing. This opens a clean canvas, giving full flexibility to design the system step by step. Next, place the main elements. Drop in the system boundary box and label it Travel Agency System. Inside this box, add the use cases, search trips, book trip, cancel booking, and generate invoice. Around the system boundary, place the actors. Customers, travel agents, and the payment system each represent essential roles interacting with the system. Once the elements are in place, label everything clearly. Each use case and actor should have a straightforward name, no placeholders or vague labels. For example, book trip is more precise than booking action. Clear labels ensure that even someone unfamiliar with UML can interpret the diagram at a glance. After labeling, connect the actors to their relevant use cases. The customer connects to search trips and book trip. The travel agent might be linked to book trip, cancel booking, and generate invoice. The payment system connects to process transactions linked with bookings. These connections show the logical relationships between users and system functionality. Styling helps polish the diagram. With EdrawMax, soft colors, balanced spacing, and neat alignments can be applied in just a few clicks. Using different shades for actors and use cases helps distinguish them visually while maintaining a clean and minimal look. A well-styled diagram is easier to present in meetings, classrooms, or client pitches. Finally, export the finished diagram. EdrawMax supports multiple formats, but saving as a JPG or PNG makes it easy to embed into reports, presentations, or training materials. This ensures the diagram can be reused across multiple platforms with no loss of clarity. By following these steps, building a use case diagram for a travel agency system becomes both efficient and effective. Instead of spending hours formatting or redrawing shapes, EdrawMax lets users focus on the real goal, visualizing how a system works. The result is a professional diagram that improves communication, aligns teams, and supports better project outcomes, visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your travel booking workflows today with EdrawMax.